Hi, Ava. Maybe this explanation will help you understand what I mean for your coding day journal. So originally, when we heard we were going to be out of school, we didn't know for how long, and we had our distance learning classroom. Now you can just go into our 5A classroom. And I took that project in distance learning to give you a preview of what we had coming down the line. But for now, I'm going to break it down and give you smaller chunks so that hopefully it's easier for you to accomplish. So when you click on Google Classroom and you see March 23-24 Remote E-Learning Coding Day 1, and then you open up the journal, this is the blue box that you had seen in the distance learning classroom. I just put it at the top so you can kind of get an overview of all of the expectations. And we're actually going to be using in variables some other units as well. So if you scroll down, it says watch this video, and you click on that and it'll send you to a YouTube video, and he will talk about functions. So obviously I'm not going to watch that with you now. And then you can go back to your Google Doc and answer the questions. What is a function? So write in another word for function, and if you wouldn't mind, click on a different color other than black for your answer, and that way it just helps me see what your answers are. And then answer, how do you choose a name for a function after watching the video? Why would you choose to use a function in your code? Put your name in there. What are the 2 steps to making a function work in your program? After you watch the video and answer those questions, then go to the code.org lesson on functions. And you're going to go to lesson 16, 17, and 18 and do the first 5 dots of each. So you go over to code.org, you log in as yourself. Obviously, I can log in as all of you. And you're going to go to lesson 16. You have to scroll down to lesson 16, and it says functions in Minecraft, and you click on the first one. If you weren't sure how to get there, if you click on code.org and my dashboard, I'll just show you. Code.org, my dashboard, and you click on Express Course, View Course, and then you scroll down to lesson 16, and you're going to want to do 16, and if I click on Ava Canope, I can see Canope. I can see you haven't done 16, 17, or 18, so you click on 1, you do the lesson, go up to at least number 5, and then you do lesson 16 and lesson 17. Follow the directions up here at the top. You're going to drag your code over. I can't drag code over. You're going to have another spot right here. I don't see that because I can only look at what you're doing. I can't move what you're doing. So then you go back to the journal and my daily reflection. Today, the code I learned was how to use a function in Minecraft and in Artist. The easiest part about using the code was whatever you think. The trickiest part about using the code is whatever you think. And then be thinking, you're going to have to do a project. What might you do for your project, and how might you use a function in your game? And then describe what your function might do. So if you were going to make a game on popping bubbles, you might have a function that keeps score of how many bubbles you've popped or something like that. I hope that helps. If you have any more questions, please send me an email. Again, you just type in your answers here, follow those directions, and then you turn it in.